6 months after he was forced out of Downing Street, Dominic Cummings is looking to settle the score with Boris Johnson.
When the public needed us most, the government failed.
As lawmakers seek to see what lessons can be drawn from the government's response to the pandemic, the Prime Minister's former chief advisor accused the cabinet of falling short of standards expected by the British public and of clinging on to a doomed herd immunity policy.
The government itself, and Number 10, was not operating on a war footing in February on this in any way, shape or form. Lots of key people were literally skiing in the middle of February.
Over the past days, Cummings has lambasted Boris Johnson's handling of the crisis on Twitter, and before the hearing shared this photograph, allegedly showing a Plan B outline, questioning who should not be saved. The accusations of laxity,
Prime Minister Boris Johnson,
were brushed off by Boris Johnson.
To go into a lockdown is a traumatic thing for a country. To deal with a pandemic on this scale has been appallingly difficult, and we've at every stage tried to minimise loss of life, to save lives, to protect the NHS, and we have followed the best scientific advice that we can.
Dominic Cummings left Number 10 following internal disputes and previously came under fire for driving across the country after contracting COVID-19 while the country was under lockdown. Although the UK has carried out a massive vaccination campaign, it's also recorded the highest number of fatalities in Europe. Almost 128,000 people have died from COVID-19 as the virus pushed the National Health Service beyond its limits.